Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max laggy animation when swiping away. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you can try is to hold on your lock screen and then you need to open the wallpaper section. After you have chosen the wallpaper, you need to swipe it up, then you need to delete it. After that, click on delete this wallpaper as seen from here. So if this didn't fix your issue, you can try to go to iPhone storage from the general settings as seen from here. After that, you need to see if your storage is actually full or not. If it's near the full storage, you need to delete some items so that your iPhone can have some free space so it can do some operations. After that, as see from here, you can try to go to iPhone settings and then go to Safari, or you can go to the browser that you are using, then go to clear history and website data. So this will help a little for your iPhone performance. I'll see from here you need to click on clear browsing data. And the last thing that you can try is to restart your iPhone, or you can hard restart your iPhone by holding the volume up button, then the volume down button, then you can hold the power button. After that, your iPhone will turn off. Then you can turn it on again and see if the performance changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.